This is Saturday, July the 3rd, 2021. Saturday, July 3rd, 2021, the day before America's birthday. And the interesting thing is, I cannot get over this. It was one year ago today that Stephen and I went to Eastern Kentucky. We live in Western Kentucky. And we went to Eastern Kentucky to Hazzard. We got it in Hazzard.
Not Hazzard County, Georgia.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Stephen. Not Hazzard County, Georgia, which is where the Dukes of Hazzard is based, Hazzard County, Georgia. But there is a Hazzard, Kentucky, in Eastern Kentucky. And so it was just kind of funny that we went to Hazzard. And we were there, we actually left on July the 2nd, and we got a hotel room. And so, but we purchased the vehicle on July 3rd of last year. So here we are 1 year later. I'm a date person. In case you all haven't figured that out, I'm a date person. And dates fascinate me. So here we are 1 year later. And Stephen is underneath the truck. And he's doing some similar work that he did back last July. So, Stephen, what's going on? Why are you underneath the truck?
Because the brake lines blew out.
Didn't we take care of that last July? I seem to remember that we made a video for YouTube last July about that.
Yeah, on the back.
Okay, I was on the back. All right. So, what do you have to do to fix it? Is a jack of all trades and a master at them all. You have seen him with the big rig, with the Freightliner. You have seen him on the forklift. You have seen him do all kinds of things. So he is a man of all capabilities. And interestingly, right in front of this 350, this is our 150, and we've had this. It's a 20-year-old. This is 20 years old. It is a 2001 model. The Ford F-150, but we purchased it as the second owners in January of 2005. So, yes, I would be right. We got this in January of 2005, but it is a 20-year-old vehicle. And so it has served its purposes really well. But I guess we like white Ford pickup trucks. So there's the F-150. And then this is the F-350 that we have owned for 1 year. The double cab and diesel, but I guess we just like white pickup trucks. What do you think? Do we like white pickup trucks, Stephen?
I guess so.
What are you doing up there? Are you sitting in the catbird seat?
Yeah, and you missed it, but there was a bee sucking on the flower.
What flower? Oh, that's clover, Bubby. That's not a flower. That's clover.
No. It doesn't look like a flower, but you see that? It was sucking on that.
Oh, are you just watching Daddy? Are you not making yourself useful? What is something that you could do to be useful for your daddy? You don't know? You don't know what something you could do to be useful? AJ's just sitting there on the ladder. What could AJ do for you, Stephen? AJ, you want to climb up underneath the truck and watch what your dad's doing? No, thank you. Brake line go bad, Stephen.
Rust.
Rust? Yes, Stephen, you needed my help?
Yep.
What can I do?
Pump the brake.
I'm going to pump the brakes. I didn't hear you, Stephen. What? Okay, all right. He said to pump the brake 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and all right, I'm holding it to the floor. All right, 4 more times. Okay. All right. Oh no. dos, tres, cuatro. All right, I'm holding it to the floor. Y'all like my rubber boots, everybody? All right, do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Y'all, yeah, these are my rubber boots that I like to wear around the yard. 'Cause it's so... All right, one more time. All right, here we go. Uno, dos, tres, and cuatro. And there goes my foot. All right. A, B, C, and D. And there goes my foot. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the floor. It's a nice day outside. All right, do you still want my foot to be on it? I'm still holding it down.
Let it go.
Let go? All right. So you still need, what?
Hold on for a minute.
Okay. All right, so we go, did I help you any?
I didn't say you're done.
Oh, I'm not done? Do I need to get back in the truck?
Back in the truck.
Okay.
Push on the pedal.
Just push all the way down to the floor?
Yeah. That's pretty good.
It's not going down.
Let go of it.
Okay. Pretty day. Thank you, Lord. Pretty day. July 3rd, 2021. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, 4. I'm pressing. There we go.
Pump it up.
Pump it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the floor. Come on. 4 to the floor. I'm pressing really hard. There, all right, there we go.
All right, let go of it.
Let go? All right. Can I get out of the truck now? Are you done with me?
All right, go ahead. Get out of here.
Oh, get out of here, he says. Oh, the man says to get out of here. So did you fix it then?
I guess.
You guess. Alrighty, well, good deal. Is there anything you can't fix, Stephen?
I'm sure there's plenty I can't fix. I generally don't mess with things that I can't fix.
Well, you certainly know how to fix a lot of things. This
There's
almost,
a lot of things to fix.
this almost seems like deja vu. I mean, this really seems like deja vu. Because back in early July, you were working on the back brake lines. So, and here we are a year later. I just paid the taxes at the courthouse on this, by the way. So, since both of our birthdays fall in July, I've already gone ahead and paid the taxes at the courthouse on all of our vehicles. You've got a birthday coming up. What, you gonna be 49?
39.
39? I was trying to give you 10 years and you took 10 more.
That's right.
He took 10 more. No, folks, he's gonna be 59.
Okay.
What happened to your leg down there? You got a scratch.
Who knows?
All right, Skinny Billy, are you done with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Sign off.
Have a good one. Enjoy 4th of July. Have fun. Later.
Later, Gator.